How to change the wearing direction, also known as your smartwatch orientation. And this is going to change which side you wear the watch of your Amazfit smartwatch. And I'll show you exactly what that is. From the clock face view mode here on your Amazfit Balance or smartwatch, you'll swipe down from the very top like this, then tap on the settings icon right here. Once you do this here, you want to go down within the settings menu all the way to where it says preferences, this one right here. As you enter here now, you're going to see all these different options. Then go down and keep going down until you see this one here, wearing direction. As you tap on that here, you will see that this is going to have the button on the left or on the right. So this is going to be great for if you're a left-hander and you want the watch to appear with the buttons function accessing on the left side, you can switch over to that one here. Notice how it turned upside down. So if you wear your watch like this now, then the buttons will the screen itself will switch over to that side so you could wear it that way. Then if you wear it on the right hand here, you'll notice how it switches that way, and then you can switch it back to this way so you can access the buttons here or any hand that you want to wear it for or preference of your style. And that's that. You can change these at any given time. Like and sub.